I built a Shopify store with AI with the click of a button. And on my screen right now is exactly how much I made from my single product-based Shopify store. I was inspired to build mine after I learned that Obed earned over $250 million just selling footwears on Shopify. Gymshark, on the other hand, actually earned over $500 million from their Shopify store selling gym wears. And this is something anybody can do, including you that's watching this video right now. I'll be showing you how to get started with just $1. Yes, you heard me right. And at the end of this video, I'll be giving out $20 to 5 persons. So make sure you stay with me from beginning to the very end. Building a Shopify store is one of the easiest ways to make money online, but it can be very technical. And if you decide to hire a professional, it will be very expensive. But I did it with literally the click of a button using AI. This AI did not only build the store for me, it wrote the description, generated the images, and everything in between. Like I said earlier, I'll be leaving no stone unturned. And I will show you guys exactly how I did it so that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. Now what this means is that if you follow my steps in this video and practice along the way, at the end of this video, you would have a full professional Shopify website built with AI and ready to start making you money in 2025. So that said, let's jump right in. But before that, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gerald. And what I do is I actually make videos around making money online. So I try things out, the work, I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. It's important that you smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. That said, what you need to do is to click on the first link that is pinned in the comment section of this video below. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface you are looking at right now, which is BuildYourStore.ai. So once you arrive here, what you need to do is to click on where it says build my free store, right? Build my free store. I have an account on Build Your Store, which is my existing store, but I'm going to be creating a new account so you guys can see exactly how this works. So what I'm going to do right now is to delete this and delete this. I'm going to come here and put in my full name. So I'm going to put in my full name, my email address, and my password. I'm going to hit sign up. That's the first thing you need to do, right? So once this happens, the next thing is for you to pick a niche. The niche where you want to create your store on. So you have some niches right here. You have fashion and apparel, you have pets, we have electronics and gadgets, we have home and gardens, we have sports and fitness, or I'm not sure. If you're not sure of your niche, you can just click on I'm not sure. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be saying pets, right? I want to create a Shopify store for pets, pet lovers. So I'm going to click on done. Right, and it's going to bring us to the next interface, which is where we actually choose our banner. So there's a whole lot of banners for us to choose from right here, right? So you decide the one that you want to actually use, right? So for this, I would say I want to go with this, right? So I'm going to click on this and choose this as well, right? The two of them. This is fine. So I'm going to hit done. Right, it's going to take us to the next step, which is where we actually create our Shopify account right now. So it says access Shopify. So I'm going to click on access Shopify and it's going to take us to Shopify interface. Now, if you look at this page, you see that you can actually start for free, then enjoy $1 per month for 3 months because you use the first link that is pinned in the comment section of this particular video. If you go to Shopify directly, you're going to be paying $19 per month, right? For this plan, you're going to be paying $54 per month for this plan, or you're going to be paying $299 per month for this plan, or even $2,300 per month for this particular plan. But because you are using the first link in my video description below, it's going to bring you to this interface where you can actually start for free. Then enjoy $1 per month for 3 months, right? No commitment, you can cancel anytime. So that's it. I'm going to come here and put our email address and click on start free trial, right? So it's going to bring us to this interface. And what we need to do is to put our email address right here and our password. Then select this verification, this captcha verification. I'm human. Then hit login, right? And this logs us into Shopify automatically. So it brings us to this place where it says review your security settings, right? I can do this later. So this is where you actually set up two-step verifications and all of those things. So I'm going to hit confirm. So it's going to bring us to this interface, right? Where would you like to sell an online store, in-person event, all of this. So I'm going to say skip customized setup. I'm going to skip customized setup. So at this point, I'm going to come back here to BuildYourStore.ai and click on done. So what we need to do right now is to link a Shopify store with BuildYourStore.ai, right? So what I'm going to do right now is to click on where it says access Shopify, and it's going to bring me back to Shopify. So at this point, what I need to do is to come here and copy the URL right here. Copy this URL. Now come back to BuildYourStore.ai and drop the URL inside this space, right? I'm going to hit save. right? And this is saving right now. And once it's done saving, I'm going to click on done. So at this point, we need to grab our Shopify discount, right? Where you actually get Shopify for $1 every month for 3 months. So you're basically paying $3 for 3 months, right? So this is actually crazy. So what I'm going to do is to come here and click on where it says access Shopify, and it's going to take us to Shopify website again. So this is the point where I put my card and actually input my card details in this space that's been provided for us right now. So I have put my card information, right? But you can also pay with PayPal by clicking on this place and selecting PayPal, so you can actually integrate your PayPal as well. So what I'm going to do right now is to come here and click, and you see that the amount due is just $1. And this is the amount you'll be paying for the next 3 months. So it says subscription successful. So once you are done with this, what we need to do is to go back to the BuildYourStore.ai website and click on done, right? And it's going to take us to the next step, which is actually installing your store app, right? So I'm going to be installing Build Your Store app, right? And what we need to do is to come here and click on install app, and it's going to bring us to this interface right now. So it's going to bring us to this interface, and we need to just click on install right here. So once you are done, it's going to bring us to this interface where it says customize my store. So we're going to click on customize my store. So the next step is for us to register with AutoDS, right? So we're going to come here, come all the way to the bottom and click on register to AutoDS. And it's going to bring us to this interface right now. So what we need to do right now is to put in our email address right here, put in your name, your full name, right? And choose a password. I'm going to click on join now. AutoDS will basically automate our dropshipping business, right? And I'm going to be seeing it in action in a jiffy. So once we get to this interface, what we need to do is to select our selling channel. And for this, it's going to be Shopify, not eBay, not Amazon. We're going to be clicking on Shopify, right? And once I click on that, it's going to bring us to this interface right now. So I would recommend that you start with this most popular plan, which is the Starter 500 plan, right? This is the real cost, right? But for now, you're going to be paying just $0.99, less than $1 to actually get started, right? And this is a full-scale dropshipping automation solution that is perfect for beginners creating a store. And with this, you'll be able to import for 500 products, right? And of course, price stock monitor, all of these things, you're going to be getting access to all of this for just less than $1, right? So once you're done subscribing to AutoDS, what you need to do is to come back here and click on done, and it's going to bring you to this interface right now. So your Shopify store is actually live right now, and we created it with just a few clicks, right? So, but if you come here and click on where it says access my store, right, this store is not open to the public. So you need to use a password. So let's disable this so that everybody can actually access our store right now. So I'm going to click on this interface. Instead of clicking here, I'm going to click on where it says store password, right? And it's going to bring me to this interface right now. So I'm going to just uncheck this, right? Uncheck this and click on save. When you come back to Build Your Store and click on where it says access my store, you will see that our store is now accessible to everybody on the internet, right? So this is exactly what our Shopify store looks like. See how beautiful it is, right? So you see the dog pictures we selected at the very beginning, right? 1, 2. Right, I can click on shop to go to our shop. You see what it looks like, grooming care, shop now. You see all of this, right? Created with AI. All of this created with AI just with a few clicks. One of the amazing things that BuildYourStore.ai just did for us is they even created an amazing logo for us right here, right? So let's take a look at our catalog. I'm going to click on catalog right now, and it's going to show us products, pet products that is in our catalog. So this season bestseller, look at this, is amazing, right? 4-in-1 electric pet grooming kit, hair trimmer, clippers, nail grinder for cats and dogs and all of that. Amazing product for your pets. And we created the Shopify store with just a few clicks. So let's go ahead and check some of these products, right? So I'm going to click on this right now. And of course, again, this is amazing, right? Different colors, white and another color, maybe green. Right, this is what the green looks like, this is what the white looks like, right? See how amazing this is. You can buy 2 and you save some money when you're buying 2 and all of that, right? Attachment and all. So let's just add this to cart. I'm going to add this to my cart right now. You see, there's a cart created for us. If you have a discount code, you can put it right here to bring it down. The number of pieces you want to buy, you can bring it down. So this is very functional. This is very functional. And we literally did this with the click of a button. So if you want to hire a developer to actually build this for you, maybe on Fiverr or Upwork, they're going to charge you like a couple $1,000s to do this, but we did this for free. We did this literally free with the click of a button, right? So you can click on checkout and it's going to take you to payment, right? People are going to make payment from here, right? And of course, this gets delivered to them. That's how easy it is to actually do. So once our page is done, all we need to do is to go back to Build Your Store website and click on done. Right, and it's going to take us to the next page. Now, if you look at our website, you see that our domain name is a random domain name, right? v8b0dis.shopify.com. So what this helps you do is to actually get your own domain name. So whatever you want to call, maybe mypetshop.com or mydogshop.com, whatever you want to call your Shopify store, this is actually where you get it from, right? So what you're going to do right here is to come here and enter your desired domain name. So let's say we want to call this. So I'm going to call this mypetshop.store, right? And the interesting thing is that this domain is actually free for you for 1 year, right? This is amazing. You're getting this completely free, this .store domain. So I'm going to come here and hit save. So this is already taken, right? So it's giving us alternative, my pet charm store, my pet shop, yeah, NYSC, my pet goodies, my pets, whatever. So you can decide what you want to go with. So I'm going to say get my pet, okay, my pet gift. Let's say my pet gift. My pet gifts.store. I'm gonna hit save, most likely taken because this is okay, so this is free, my pet gifts.store. So I'm gonna hit continue. So to create your .store account, you need to actually put in your full name, your email address, and your password, right? And I've provided all of this. I'm gonna say create account. So the next thing we need to do is to connect our domain to our Shopify store that we just created with AI right now. So what you need to do is to just come down here. You say that this domain is auto connected post this, right? This propagation time is 24 hours and happens within the time duration, right? So sometimes when you buy domain, it takes about 24 hours, to propagate and be connected. So you can say I'll do it later or connect now. So you can just click on connect now. So you can actually do this later by just coming here and searching for domains, right? Search for domains. When you log into your Shopify, search for domains and hit enter. And it's going to bring you to this same interface. So just click on this place and it's going to bring you right here. So what you need to do is to just click on where it says connect existing domain. And of course, let's go back to build your store and copy our domain. This is it right here. Copy mypetgifts.store. I'm going to come back here and drop our domain here and hit next. So it says domain added to your store, right? That is very easy to do. Domain added to your store. Okay, so we are done, right? So what we need to do is to come back to BuildYourStore.ai and click on done, that we are done. And once you click on this, automatically it's going to redirect us to this Shopify Dropshipping Course 2025, where it actually explains everything we need to do to actually grow on Shopify. As a matter of fact, I took this course personally when I was actually building my own Shopify store, right? So once you click on this, take your course, right? It's going to bring you to this YouTube video that is 16 hours long, right? So it actually deals with everything you need to know about building a successful business on Shopify. And that's exactly what I did to actually make the money that I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. So I would encourage you guys, if you're actually serious about earning passive income on the internet, dropshipping is actually the way to go. So click on the first link in my video description, or the link that is pinned in my comment section. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to the interface you're looking at right now on my laptop screen, and you can go ahead and do exactly what you have seen me do. So I said I'm going to be giving out $20 to 5 persons, right? That will give you from beginning to the very end. Here's what you need to do. So go ahead and click on the first link that is pinned in my comment section below, right? It's going to bring you to BuildYourStore.ai. Now do exactly what you have seen me do in this video and create your own Shopify store. As soon as you are done, drop the link to your Shopify store in the comment section of this video below, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to come to that store and buy something worth $20 from 5 different individuals. So I'm going to do a video recording of where I'm actually buying something from your Shopify store, and I'm going to be putting that video right here on YouTube. So it's important that you take action right now if you are serious about winning.